So a few things to expect prior to the installation of your flooring would be things like moving anything breakable. That could be a picture frame or fine china in a cabinet or a light, anything that could fall or potentially break. You would need to go ahead and move those items. As for the bedrooms, you'll want to remove any linens that are on the bed currently, any pillows. Basically go ahead and take the bedding down to just the frame and the mattress, and we can handle the rest. If you do have beds that require any electrical components such as a sleep number bed or anything like that, we will ask you to go ahead and break those down and remove those yourself. Also in the closets, be sure to remove anything that sits on the floor of the closet, such as shoes, boxes, things in storage that might be in the closet. Anything hanging above the floor is fine if you could just remove the things that sit on the floor itself. So some items we don't move during the installation process would be anything like a piano, a grandfather clock, a gun safe, anything overly large and expensive like that. We would ask that those items be moved prior to installation. We do charge to move appliances such as refrigerators, stoves, washers, and dryers, but if you want to take care of those yourself and save a little bit of money, you most certainly can do that as well. If you do have pets that are going to be present during the time of installation, we would ask that those pets either be put up or either have outside away from the installation crew. That way it just ensures safety for our crew and your pets alike. And if you guys have any questions regarding what to do before, during, or after the install process, feel free to reach out to Kirkland's Flooring, call your salesperson, or email the salesperson. We are all here to help you out during the process, and we appreciate your business. Thank you.